In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear your payments to deposits, also known as undeposited funds, in QuickBooks Online. When customers pay you, those payments often land in an account called undeposited funds before they show up in your actual bank account. Think of this as a temporary holding area. To keep your books accurate and make bank reconciliation easy, you need to move those payments from undeposited funds into the correct bank account using a bank deposit. That's exactly what we'll walk through now. First, look to the left side of your QuickBooks Online screen. At the very top of that left side navigation menu, click the button labeled Plus New. This is where you create almost any transaction in QuickBooks, from invoices and expenses to, in this case, deposits. After you click Plus New, a menu will appear with different sections. Under the section labeled Other, select Bank Deposit. This tells QuickBooks that you're about to record money being deposited into one of your bank accounts. You'll now be on the bank deposit screen. At the top, you'll see a field labeled Account. Use this drop-down to choose the bank account where these funds actually went in real life. For example, if the money hit your main checking account, select that checking account here. Choosing the right account is important because this is where QuickBooks will show the deposit and where it will show up later during your bank reconciliation. Next, scroll down to the section called Select the Payments Included in this Deposit. Here, you'll see a list of payments that are currently sitting in undeposited funds. These might include customer invoice payments, sales receipts, or other incoming amounts you've already recorded. Check the box next to each payment that was included in the actual deposit your bank shows. If your bank combined several customer payments into a single deposit, you want to mirror that same grouping here. Carefully select all the payments that make up that one lump sum. Once you've selected the payments, look at the total amount at the bottom of the list. Compare this total to the deposit amount on your real-world bank statement or in your banking app. They should match exactly. If they don't, double-check that you've only selected the payments that were included in that specific deposit. When everything looks correct and the totals match, click Save and Close. This records the deposit, clears those payments out of undeposited funds, and moves them into the bank account you selected, keeping your books clean and aligned with your actual bank